Radio Ravel 96 FM.
Ravel 96
Radio Ravel 96 FM.
Radio Ravel.
Мезанин. Меѓупростор на Радио Равел. Музичка емисија. Мезанин. Деведесет и шест FM. Мезанин.
Добро вечер и добре дојдовте на фреквенцијата на Радио Равел. 10 часот и 2 минути започнуваме со 151-то издание на меѓупросторот на Радио Равел. Вечер времето надвор налага да направиме една фина меланхолична емисија каде што ќе ги немаме оние редовни рубрики Мезанин вести, Мезанин подкултура, каде што нема да представиме некое ново актуелно издание кое во моментов се слуша низ светскиот етер. Значи вечерва ќе бираме музика која на некој начин ќе се надополнува една со друга и се надевам дека ќе ве задржи на оваа фреквенција се таму некаде до полноќ. Започнуваме со еден специфичен лик кој на некој начин многу повеќе го познаваме преку филмот отколку преку музиката. Се работи за актерот Винсент Гало, човекот кој зад себе има веќе десетина пред се култни филмови. Човекот за своите барем режисерски филмови пишува и музика која вечерва имаме овде со вкупно 25 песни сместени на една компилација, всушност музика која Винсент Гало пред се ја компонирал за своја душа. Почнуваме со три теми кои Винсент Гало им ги посветува на три девојки. Првата ја подпишува за една девојка од Парис хотелот, втората тема се вика Лора, а третата е посветена на девојките наречени Apples. Одиме со Винсент Гало на почетокот од 151-иот Мезанин.
Еден, два, три. Мезанин.
Let's find a place, a happy place. We can find good night, baby. Sleep tight here with me. We can lay in the bed, you and me, and I won't go away or leave you alone, sweetie pie, baby. Sleep tight here with me, and in the morning we'll open our eyes and look at each other, and sunny skies. And when you think of getting high, I'll think of nice things to make you smile. 'Cause when you drink, it makes me cry. And when you get high,
Вечерва правиме една строго меланхолична емисија, 151 издание на Мезанин. На почетокот го слушнавме господинот Винсент Гало, кој компонира музиката за своите филмови. Пред се оние што ги подпишува како сценарист и кои ги режира, а тоа се два на број. Се работи за филмовите Buffalo 66 и филмот од 2003 година Браун Бани, кој предизвика доста контраверзи на Канскиот филмски фестивал, бидејќи има една сцена каде што самиот Винсент Гало ја покажува својата машкост. Таа сцена трае околу 5 минути и веројатно оние традиционални филмски критичари не може да гледаат толкава машкост на големото платно, така што го исплукаа филмот. Меѓутоа се работи за навистина квалитетно дело, а и самиот Винсент Гало како човек е прилично контраверзна личност и токму затоа и во филмовите на другите режисери постојано му деделуваат специфични улоги. На крајот на криштата, за да ја заокружиме приказната за него, пред само еден месец прочитав дека Винсент Гало направи свој сајт каде што својата сперма ја продава за $1,000,000 и ветува дека мајката што ќе откупи неговата сперма дека ќе добие супер интелигентно и прекрасно момче кој најверојатно ќе стане глумец или ќе компонира музика. Океј, ајде продолжуваме со фина музика и понатаму. Овој пат одиме со британскиот бенд, односно американскиот бенд Yo La Tengo. Еден прекрасен албум зад себе од пред 5-6 години, се вика And Then Nothing Turned Itself Inside Out, од кој ќе чуеме две теми. Темите носат наслов Our Way to Fall и Saturday. Иако денес е Wednesday, не е Saturday, сепак ќе чуеме оваа тема. Одиме со Yo La Tengo.
I remember the way it looked around your neck. And I remember the day it broke. And I remember the song you sang. And I remember the way you look tonight. And I remember the way it made me feel. Try, even if it lasts an hour, with all our might, we'll try and make it ours, because we're on our way to fall in love. Even if it lasts an hour, with all our might, try and make it ours, 'cause we're on our way to fall in love. Yeah, we're on our way to fall in love. We're on our way to fall in love. We're on our way to fall in love.
96 FM Мезанин.
The room was filled with talk for anyone listening. I found a spot by the door with no one around. Let my mind go out of tune. Out of tune.
Го слушате 151-то издание на меѓупросторот на Радио Равел. Слушнавме две теми од бендот од Хоубокен, Нью Джерси, едно малечко место во Соединетите Американски држави. Продолжуваме со Јула Тенга, но овој пат од албумот Summer Sun од 2003 година. Веќе ја слушнавме Beach Party Tonight, а ова е темата Little Ice. Јула Тенга.
Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan? You saw him in the park, right? Yeah. That's why you mispronounced his name. No. Because I have a friend named Penny, and she, I played her the thing, and she said Nasrat. Yeah. It's Nusrat, and he's my Elvis. That's my guy. Listen to him every day. He's playing at the New Music Institute. World Music Institute. November 14th, but I really don't want to turn everybody on to him because then everybody goes, yeah, that Nusrat thing. Yeah, it's cool hang. I saw you at Nusrat, right? 6 from the left. Clapping your hands.
Yeah, but you know what his nickname is.
Yeah, you're right, I do. I know everything about him. Remember that movie Diva? About that guy who like rode around on a motorcycle and just like knew everything about. That's the way I am about Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. I know his nickname as a child. Can you, hey, I'll see you later. Do you remember anything that he did? Because maybe I could do it and blow you away with my acumen. The white cover?
Yeah, you know his white album.
There's no white album. Is it a picture of him?
Yeah.
Picture of him going,
Yeah.
all right. I was like, whoa. I hate that song. Chicken. It's just they do it the disco style.
Добро, почекај малку, господине Бакли, прво да кажеме што е работава. Значи, ги слушнавме Јола Тенго, а веќе продолжуваме со господинот Джеф Бакли, со еден фантастичен двоен проект издаден посхумно, каде што Джеф Бакли во клубот Сине во Њујорк 1992 година свири некои од своите песни, но и преработки пред малата публика во малото клубче Сине во Њујорк. Ќе чуеме неколку теми од овој двоен албум во живо, издаден посхумно. Веќе ја слушаме темата која на некој начин е посвета на неговиот идол Нусрат Фатех Али Кан, а потоа ќе чуеме и две преработки на Боб Дилан и Ван Морисон, темите I Shall Be Released и Sweeting, теми кои Джеф Бакли им ги посвети на овие своји големи музички идоли. Значи во следниот период одиме со материјалот во живо на Джеф Бакли, снимен 92 година во клубот Сине во Њујорк.
सरकी की हर निगाह बेला के पी गया साकी की हर बल कर के पी गया लेरों से खेलता हुआ लेरा के पी गया लेरों से लेरों से कादम से पी गया हो इसी दिल में से लेला के पी गया el dondato pato bella que पी गया udi udi cardianti है mutre banda malati है किसके गेसु कोले हसावने maki awaya ki hai kiske gesu kule sa maki awaya ki hai aao sene jamang raqs kare आओ सहने जमंगे रक्स करे साज लेकर गदरियां की है देखकर उनकी अखलियों को अदम मेरों को हवायां की है ये तो बागा गधाया ना गदी है
होना किस्मों को हल्का हल्का सुरूर रहता है आपसे जो सिमा दिल में जैसे दूर दिन अपना दूर रहता है जब से देखो दिलों को हम हदम हाल है हर वक्त मस्त रहता चूर हुआ है ये जो हल्का हल्का You have to be like this. Like this. That's what they do in Pakistan. ये जो हल्का हल्का ये जो हल्का 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 ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है ये बनी हजार का कसूर है कि शराब पीना सीखा ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है कि शराब पीना शराब पीना सिखा दिलाया तेरी नजर का कसूर ये बनी नजर का कसूर है ओह ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर है ये जो हल्का ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर ये जो हल्का हल्का सुरूर ये मेरी मज़र का कसूर है तेरे प्यार ने तेरे जियान ने तेरे प्यार ने तेरे जियान ने तेरे बैग निकाने तुझे जग शरान लिया ये जो हल्का हल्का ज़रूर है ये तेरी नजर का कसूर है कि शराब पीना सिखा दिया
Bakni go zvukot. Mezanin. They say everything can be replaced, that every distance is not near. So I remember everything of every man that put me here. I see my light come shining from the west down to the east. Any day now, any day now, I shall be say every man needs protection. They say that every man must fall. Yet I swear I see my reflection somewhere so high above this wall. Sing. I see my light come shine from the west unto the east. Any day and night, anywhere now, I shall be relieved. They're standing next to me in this lonely crowd. It's a man who swears he's not to blame. All day long I hear his voice shouting so loud, crying out he has been framed. I see my light come shine from the west unto the east. Any day now, anywhere now, I shall be relieved. Everybody stand with me. I see my light come shine. What about west to east? From the west unto the east. Any day now, any day now, I shall be relieved.
Eden, dva, tri. Mezanin.
And I will stroll the merry way and jump the hedges first. And I will drink the clear, clean water for to quench my thirst. And I shall watch the ferry boats and they'll get high, high, high on a blue ocean against tomorrow's sky. And I will never ever grow so old again. And we will walk and talk in gardens all misty wet with rain. Oh, sweet thing, sweet thing. Oh, my, 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 my. Well, 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 my, 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 my. your streets and cry. Well, it's me, I'm dynamite, and I don't know why. And you will hold me strongly in your arms again. Pretty babe, I will not remember that I ever felt the pain. And we will walk and talk in gardens all misty wet with rain. And I will never ever grow so old again. Oh, sweet thing. And I will raise my hand up into the midnight sky and count all the lights that's shining up in your eyes, just to dig it all and not to question, well, that's just fine. Just to dig it all and never wonder, well, that's just fine. And I'll be satisfied not to read between the lines. And we will walk and talk in gardens all misty wet with rain. You know we will someday. And we, you and me, will walk and talk in gardens all misty wet with rain. Oh, you and me. We'll walk and talk in gardens all misty wet with rain. And we will walk in gardens all misty wet with rain. And we shall walk in gardens all misty wet with rain. Oh, we shall walk and talk in gardens all misty wet with rain. And we will never ever grow so old again. Oh, sweet thing. Oh, sweet thing. Sweet thing. Oh, you know we will. Oh, you know
we will. Remember the day when I held your hand, and the look in my eyes only you could understand. Remember when we held each other soft and low, how nothing could ever be that strong. Sleep tonight with dreams as sweet as angels' wings, and all your dreams will bring you sweeter things. Sweet, sweet, sweet thing. Oh, sweet thing, don't you, don't you, no, 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 no. Come here, let me tell you. Let me tell you how much I love you. Oh, sweet thing. Oh, sweet thing. Oh, sweet thing. Oh, sweet thing. You know we were one.
Го слушате 151-то издание на музичката емисија Мезанин. Еве како звучеа темите на Боб Дилан и Ван Морисон во една интимна варијанта која претходниве 10 на минути ни ја понуди Джеф Бакли од албумот снимен во живо 92-та година, издаден посхумно по неговата смрт 97-та. Океј, продолжуваме со слична музика и понатаму, како што нарековме, ова емисија слушаме строго меланхолична музика. Одиме со еден албум на Бек од 2002 година, насловен Sea Change. Бек минатата година издаде дури два албума, Гуеро и неговото помало братче Гуеролито, на некој начин ремикс варијанта на Гуеро, но 2002 година за сега го издаде неговиот најинтимен и најличен албум на кој ја отвара својата душа. Тоа ќе го забележите и во следните три теми: Sunday Sun, Little One и Side of the Road. Ова е Бек Хансен.
Haven't got a lot to learn, and my eyes, they stray again, looking for a satellite in the rays, heaven again. There's no other ending, Sunday sun, yesterday's surrender, Sunday sun.
מזנין.
Go to sleep. We're so tired now, all together in a snake pit of souls. New days, throw your chains away. Try to hang your hopes on the wind. Little one, just a little way today. All we need is wait. Night rise like the evening prize, in a turnstile backwards we'd fly. The cold bones tied together by black ropes we pull from a sway. Little one, just a little way today. All the dreams are waking. Heads stand on crooked legs up, cross-eyed to the wall. Along these harbor lights, satellites go. Drown, drown, sailors run aground in the sea change, nothing is safe. Strange waves push us every way. In a stolen boat we'll float away. Little one, just a little way today. All we need is little one, just a little way today. All the dreams are waiting.
I'd like to go. Let all I've learned tell me what I know about the kind of life never thought I'd live, till the ugly truth showed me what it did. Let it pass on the side of the road. What a friend could tell me now. In a different life, you must see what the other side looks like. In a random room, an iron door, kicking empty can across an empty floor. Let it pass on the side of the road. What a friend could tell me now.
Се надевам дека уживате во вечерашново опуштено издание на Мезанин. Во последниве 10 минути го слушнавме господинот Бек Хансен од неговиот личен, приличен албум Sea Change. Слушнавме 3 теми и конечно е време да се свртиме кон женските вокали. Тука нормално веднаш се наметнува PJ Harvey, господјицата која за оваа година го најави своето ново студиско остварување, додека го очекуваме незиниот нов материјал. Одиме со 3 теми од прекрасниот Is This Desire. Слушаме теми посветени повторно на незините пријателки, насловени Анджелин, Кетрин и No Girl со Sweet. Ова е PJ Harvey.
Any man calls, I'll let him in. Rose is my color and white. Pretty mouth, green my eyes.
Мезанин, мезанин, мезанин.
Catherine Jabara, you've murdered my thinking. Gave you my heart, you left the thing stinking. I'd shake from your spell, if it weren't for my drinking. The wind bites more bitter with each light of morning. I envy the road, the ground you tread under. I envy the wind, your hair riding over. I envy the pillow, your head rests in slumbers. I envy two murderers, envy your lover. Till the light shines on me, a damn to hell every second you breathe. Till the light shines on me, a damn to hell every second you breathe. I envy the road, the ground you tread under. I envy the wind, your hair riding over. I envy the pillow, your head rests in slumbers. I envy two murderers, envy your lover. Till the light shines on me, down a hill every second you breathe. Till the light shines on me, down a hill every second you breathe. Till the light shines on me, down a hill every second you breathe. Till the light shines on me. Oh, my Catherine, your eyes smiling, your mouth singing. With time I'd have won you. With one I'd have won you. Your eyes smiling, your mouth singing. With time I'd have won you. Oh, my Catherine, with one I'd have won you. With one I'd have won you.
96 FM. Мезанин.
Joseph walked on and on the sunset, went down and down coldness, cooled their desire, and dawn said, let's build a fire. The sun dressed the trees in green, and Joe sweetness of desire. Is this desire enough, enough to lift us higher, to lift above? By hour may we two stand when we're dead. Between these lands the sun set. Behind his eyes and Joe said, is this desire? Is this desire enough, enough to lift us high, to lift above? Is this desire enough, enough, enough inside? Is this desire?
Ја слушавме PJ Harvey со 3 теми од незиниот Is This Desire албум. А сега малку ќе направиме една малечка дигресија. Продолжуваме со еден фантастичен женски вокал кој доаѓа од Њу Јорк и кој на времето беше дел од триото Fugees, за потоа да направи и 2 соло албума, па дури еден во живо, со настап на музичката телевизија MTV, пред да замине во мајчинските води, да изнароди, ми се чини, 3 деца и тотално да престане да снима музика. Меѓутоа музиката е во незиното срце, а тоа ќе го забележите од следните албуми. Него се работи за Лорен Хил, една голема афроамериканска модерна певица, ако може така да се нарече. The Miseducation of Lauryn Hill е незиното ремек дело од 2000 година, од кој ќе чуеме 3 теми. Ги слушаме FX Factor, To Zion и The Miseducation of Lauryn Hill, насловната тема од овој албум. Ајде, одиме со господицата Lauryn Hill во следните 10 минути.
But you rather make it hard. Loving you is like a bad explain myself. Don't understand why. As painful as this thing has been, I just can't be with no one else. See, I know what we've got to do. You let go, and I'll let go too. 'Cause no one's hurt me more than you, and no one ever will. No matter how I think we grow, you always seem to let me know it ain't working, it ain't working, it ain't working, it ain't working. And when I try to walk away, you hurt yourself to make me stay. This is crazy. This is crazy. Oh, this is crazy. This is crazy. Care for me, care for me. I know you care for me. There for me, there for me. Said you'd be there for me. Cry for me, cry for me. You said you'd die for me. Give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me? Care for me, care for me. You said you care for me. There for me, there for me. Said you'd be there for me. Cry for me, cry for me. You said you'd die for me. Give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me? Care for me, care for me. You said you care for me. There for me, there for me. Said you'd be there for me. Cry for me, cry for me. You said you'd die for me. Give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me? Care for me, care for me. You said you care for me. There for me, there for me. Said you'd be there for me. Give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me? Cry for me, cry for me. You said you'd die for me. When I needed you,
Eden, dva, tri. Mezanin.
One day, I'm gonna understand. Zion.
Unsure what the balance held, I touched my belly, overwhelmed by what I had been chosen to perform. But then an angel came one day, told me to kneel down and pray, for unto me a man child would be born. Whoa, this crazy circumstance, I knew his life deserved a chance, but everybody told me to be smart. Look at your career, they said, Lauren, baby, use your head. But instead I chose to use my heart. Now the joy of my world is in Zion. Now the joy of my world is in Zion. How beautiful is nothing more than to wait at Zion's door. I've never been in love
will surely come. See, life for you, my prince, has just begun. And I thank you for choosing me to come through unto life to be a beautiful reflection of His grace. See, I know that a gift so great is only one God could create. And I'm reminded every time I see your face that the joy of my world is in Zion. Now the joy of my world is in Zion. Now the joy of my world is in Zion. Now the joy of my world is in
Okay, how many people in here have ever been in love? I know none of the guys gonna raise their hand, but how many of y'all ever been in love? Well, I know none of the guys been in. We don't get in love, right? Oh, let this black man right here tell what his idea of love is. Because now all the time we hear young black men talk about love. About your personal definition. Don't tell me what Webster thinks. Huh?
Willing to do everything for that person.
Okay, everything like what? Explain. Let him talk, come on. If I asked him to talk about a fancy car, he'd be right on point. But we want to talk about love. You can do it. What do you think? You said you love somebody. You should know why you love them, right?
The way they act, the way they carry themselves, stuff like that.
Okay.
If they with their boys, hang with their boys, whatever, and they just stand out. It's like sometimes it don't even matter like what they wear or what they look like. It's like that way, you know that you want to talk to him because he stands out. It's like he got a glow or something.
That's deep,
what I'm
brother.
talking about.
I thought that was a beautiful point. Anybody else want to deal with that?
And sometimes, like when they try to act funny in front of their boys, and they get around and they say they love you, they can't love you. Cause love wouldn't do that.
It's more to love than that. Love is not phony.
FM Mezanin.
My world, it moves so fast today. The past, it seems so far away. And life squeezes so tight that I can't breathe. And every time I've tried to be what someone else thought of me, so caught up, I was unable to achieve. But deep in my heart, the answer mind to define my own destiny. Where the fire went, what happened to everything we used to be? I hear so many cry for help, searching outside of themselves. Now I know that His strength is within me, and deep in my heart wasn't me, and I made up my mind to define my own destiny, and deep in my heart, wasn't me, and I made up my mind to define my own loving
1, 2, 3. Мезанин.
She makes me wanna die and follow where Mary goes and cherish the things she knows and says if I change my stride then I'll fly. And she makes me wanna die and change my stride and then I'll fly. Look to the sun, see me in psychic pollution, walking on the moon. And how could you dare? And who do you think you are? You're insignificant, a small piece, an ism, no more, no less. You try to learn the universe, can't even converse in universe. You know it's ironic, smoking hydroponic. And she makes me wanna die. And change my stride, and then I'll fly. And she makes me wanna die. Follow where Mary goes and cherish the things she knows. And says if I change my stride, then I'll fly. And change my stride, then I'll fly. Look to the sun, see me in psychic pollution, walking on the moon. And how could you dare? Who do you think you are?
Фино се лизгаме вечерова во етерот над Скопје. Го слушате 151-то издание на меѓупросторот на Радио Равел, насловен Мезанин. По хип-хоп кралицата Лорен Хил слушнавме две теми од Трики, од неговите први албуми, пред да отиде по ѓаволите. А за крајот, последните 15 на минути се резервирани за луѓето кои во 90-тите години веројатно оставија најголем печат во современата музика. Се работи за Massive Attack, бендот кој оваа година ќе гостува и во нашиот град. Тоа ќе се случи на почетокот на јуни во рамките на ов фестивалот на Скопското лизгалиште, каде што ќе можеме да уживаме во едно навистина големо шоу наречено Massive Attack. Последниве 15 на минути слушаме неколку ремикси. Започнуваме со Daydreaming, потоа ќе ги чуеме и легендарните Safe From Harm, Sly и Protection, доколку ни дозволи времето. Уживајте во ремиксите на Massive Attack.
Performing
beat, so we need another copy.
We're natives of the massive territory and we're proud. Get peaceful in the dance of death and glory in the crowd. The problem ain't a different kind of skin tricks. I love my neighbor, I don't wait for the Olympics. So you're a hooligan, you're trying to play the fool again.
Caught you in the lost and found.
When you're passing on the road, no crowd, so you're going for your tool again.
מזנין.
real these days when things look so dizzy to me. I already know my children's faces, voices that I've heard before. There's always more. There's always more. Wondering, leaving the sea behind, to my home, which everybody owns. I feel like 1,000 years have passed. I'm younger than I used to be. I feel like the world is my home at last. I know everyone that I meet. Somewhere in the music, I can hear the bells I heard 1,000 years before. There's always more. There's always more. Wondering, this is the world there is. Since I began to be.
Mezanin. Međuprostor na Radio Ravel.
Rough, smooth, arsehole
Muzička emisija Mezanin.
No Queen, no Charlie Boy, and no Rich and no America. And no
96 FM. Mezanin.
Минута до 12, минута до полноќ, зад нас е 151-то издание на музичката емисија Мезанин. Едноставно и јасно се надевам дека претходните 2 часа го задржавме вашето внимание и дека уживавте во она што ви го понудивме. Се слушаме следната среда повторно од 22 до полноќ. Останете на оваа фреквенција. Следи Саша Павлович Фреш со Радио Багдад Хит Пари. Чао, чао.
No Britannia Hotel. That's the prostitution of